Hi, I'm Bob Hansen. First of all, I'm 64. Yeah, 64. And Dr. Frisch just completed my total knee replacement surgery on my left leg. If you take a look at the work that I do, I'm the CEO. In fact, my office is right across the street from Dr. Frisch. So I don't have a lot of activity for the work that I do. However, when you take a look at the knee replacement process, trying to be prepared for it, understanding the process. I watched a lot of YouTubes, but until you do it, you don't understand it really. So after surgery, we got through and they make you walk to verify that, you understand the balance in that. Going home, the first couple of days are interesting. The one thing I would recommend, they had a pain block, spinal, so I had no pain the first 24 hours. And I just got on the phone with Dr. Frisch 24 hours later, and I told him, I said, I have no pain. I hadn't been taking any pain medicine. Then the pain block wore off. So when people say, stay ahead of the pain, my recommendation, number one, is take pain medicine before, even if you don't feel pain, take the pain medicine right out of the gate. Because it took me it was 2:37 in the morning the next day before I got the pain under control. So take the pain medicine, number one. Two, they use an app now that allows you to understand the type of walking and exercises you should be doing. I was religious to that application. And what was interesting about it is I'm active, so I was walking every hour, and it was telling me that I was at the top quadrant. In fact, I was kind of off the map on walking. And after day two, it sent me a message to say, you're exceeding the walking activity. You could experience pain. For sure, I didn't sleep that night because of the pain relative to, at night, your body wants to heal what the damage you create during the day. And so that was difficult. After 2 weeks, I met with Dr. Frisch's team, started physical therapy. It's key to do the therapy exercises that are part of the application, along with the physical therapy. 6 weeks into it, my bending, my knee, I call it the bending moment because I'm an engineer, but the bending moment is 135 degrees on my right. My left is 128 degrees after 6 weeks. Following the protocols allows you the opportunity to be able to accelerate the healing process, but also following the regimen that's provided in terms of any medications and that. All I can say is for 6 weeks into it, I have no restrictions. I can walk up and down stairs. I go to the gym every day. I started rowing 2 weeks ago. I've been on my exercise bike at home and at the gym for the last 3 weeks. If I could just mention, ChatGPT indicates you should not go into a hot tub or sauna for 6 weeks. So Tuesday was 6 weeks. I jumped into my sauna and jumped into my hot tub, and life is good. I pray that you also have the same experience I do. Have a great day.